May the 5th, 2020. There is no melancholy without rain. Edna's rain, full of ghosts that tap and sigh. Edward's wild midnight rain, blessing the dead. Hardy's raindrop, ploughing down a carved name. Sadness is only amplified by rain. Perhaps that's why this April, hot and dry, we just nested, watched light TV instead of turning on the dreadful news again. On May the 5th, the sunny weather broke. It rained from after midnight all the way till after lunch. I thought of the lives changed, and in me a deeper sympathy woke for the sorrow of strangers, those who lay in afternoon bedrooms locked down with rain.